Hey folks, welcome to this Cancha tutorial about how to use the captions feature of the 3D viewer. So here we are in Cancha 2.4, and this is the Bonnie dataset. Down on the bottom here in the 3D viewer, so in the 3D area, in the bottom here, this is the 3D controls window. And at the very bottom, we've got this captions dialog. If I just press plus sign, I can add any text I want. So let's just say North Zone, for example. Enter, and you can see right in the middle, it's giving me this North Zone. And wherever I turn the model, it's always smack bang in the middle of the screen. But probably not the best place for it. So let's just do a top view using these plan view icon here. And you'll notice here in the North Zone, there's an icon here for a little anchor. If I click on that, it goes into the anchor mode for captions, and the whole thing turned into a big red ball. And then I can drag this ball and move it anywhere I want. So now I've moved it into the north, but also you have to look on the other plane here. You can say, well, okay, you're how we for the RL for it. So let's just put it in here. So look at it in the different angles. So it looks pretty good, that angle, and from the front, that's fine. So we think that this is representative of the north, and now we take the anchor off, and we go back into normal mode, and you can see that it's been stuck there in 3D, and wherever we turn things, it's going to be like that. So let's just go ahead and add another one for surprise, surprise. South Zone, why not? Enter into the anchor mode for South Zone. Pull it to the south. Now you'll notice I'm pulling it on an angle right now, so I've actually pulled it down. Okay, so you just have to pull it back up again. This is why it's better to use these projection ones, because if you're using the projection one, you can have them just on the same plane. Are they both the same height? No, they're a bit different. Let's put them both the same height, and take it out of anchor mode. And now you'll see you've got North Zone and South Zone. And just take the shell off so you can see it better, and you can see that if we're doing for example a section, and let's just make the section 90 degrees azimuth and go into the section mode. Now you can see you've got these signs, South Zone and North Zone, and as I'm passing through to the posit, those those things will be there. These captions are going to be there to help with the labeling. Okay, so you could use this for labeling pits. You could label even a metallurgical sample, because once you've got the metallurgical sample in one spot, if you really wanted to highlight it for some reason, you can have as many captions as you want. That's obviously just to delete them. Red X next to it disappeared. Yeah, so just come out of the section mode, and you can see the North Zone still there, and the South Zone's one gone. Okay, that's how you work with captions. Thanks for your attention.